Hi and welcome back. Previously, we talked about retail in the panorama of new digital transformation. Today's lesson aims to investigate the main variables responsible for the evolution of retail spaces. The retail store is the meeting point between supply side and the demand side. The main objective of retail is to improve the quality of life of the customers in their purchasing process, and in this, design plays a connecting role between customer and brand. Considering this perspective, designing a retail store means designing the relationship system among products, people, production, innovation, interests, dreams and needs. As we'll see, the innovation of retail formats and concepts is linked to the change in the relationship between supply and demand. Since the 1970s, in what we call mature economies, we have moved from a condition of shortage of supply and overabundance of demand to a condition of lack of demand and superabundance of supplies. Indeed, the continual growth of competition, the excess of production, the interchangeability of goods and services, the new technology application and customers' behavior have caused a thorough transformation and evolution in the retail spaces. Important direct drivers include market maturity, increase in competition, change in demand, globalization of consumption, new digital technologies. All this triggered a process of profound innovation in the retail concepts that involved many aspects such as brand strategy, retail store design, new format and concept, relationship with customers, communication tools. The new landscape has led most companies to implement the relational aspects, creating an emotional shop atmosphere linked to individual perception and sensory factors. The retail customer experience is now connected to hedonist, emotional and cross-cultural values. At the same time, we observe the emergence of an object system in which the passage from functional attributes to emotional attributes is evident. As regards the retail stores, as we said, we have a shift from the centrality of product to the centrality of experience. The company's attention shifts from the product to the product system with a customer-centric approach and with the idea of creating memorable experiences. Product, communication and services are now backdrop of brand experience. In this context, the value proposition becomes an integrated model that now includes the following elements: the product offering, the service offering, the shopping experience, and the pricing and revenue model. In 2001, Apple's iconic Fifth Avenue store changed the face of retail forever. From this moment on, concept store represent the framework of meaning capable of containing, amplifying and conveying the symbolic and cultural aspects of brand. So, If the story is the narrative context of the brand, design takes on the role of a system capable of bringing together production and consumption. We can therefore say that retail store is a connecting space between brand and customers' value. It is today the place where the companies enact the most crucial step in the process of value creation, not only from the economic point of view, but also from regarding the relational processes with its users. The store provides the communicative support within which audience and brand can share a common set of values, principles and aims, social values, lifestyle values again, and the need for uniqueness. People require quality. They want transparency throughout their shopping experience, both in the physical space and the different touch points. New customers generation requires to know the story behind every item. Who made it? Where it comes from? What it is made of? Its environmental and social impact. In this sense, the blockchain technology is opening the way for a new and improved shopping experience. Our holistic vision able to reinforce the objectives of slow fashion and consumption as a point of view that looks at how products are designed, produced, and consumed. In conclusion, the retail store is today part of the customer experience ecosystem, and technology contributes to its necessary transformation. In this lesson, we understood the retail store's role and some of the main variables responsible for changing the design store's orientation. In the next three lessons, we are going to analyze some emerging trends.